DSL's advanced search allows you to carry out more complex searches. You can get to advanced search from the home page. Here you'll find guidance to help you use these search tools. In this video, we'll show you how to use two of them. The Boolean operators and, or, and not, when entered in uppercase, help refine search results by combining or excluding keywords to make searches more precise. For example, if you search for heels and tays, where and is in lowercase, your results will include all mentions of this exact phrase. If you instead search for heels and tays using uppercase and, your results will show all examples that include both words, though not necessarily together. Or broadens your search. Searching for heels or tays will find examples that mention at least one of these two words, if not both. Not, however, excludes terms, so if you search for heels not tays, your results will include the word heels, but not the word tays. Another advanced search tool is wildcards. These stand for characters you're not sure of. There are two types. The question mark stands for a single character. This is helpful, for example, if you're not sure if something is spelt with an I or an E. This example finds three possibilities for the second letter. We can then check which is the one we're looking for. The asterisk stands for any number of characters. So, heel with an asterisk at the end will match heel, but also heels and heelster and heeland and so on. The asterisk is great when you're unsure of the full word or want to include spelling variations. It can also be useful if you're interested in words that start with a particular prefix or end with a particular suffix. You can even use wildcards and Boolean search together. For example, we could search using and plus the question mark to find results for heels and either toes or tays.